How to groom an Australian Shepherd's tail. How do you groom an Australian Shepherd's tail? Australian Shepherds are known for their beautiful and distinctive tails. Proper grooming of their tail not only enhances their appearance but also keeps them healthy and comfortable. In this article, we will discuss the steps to groom an Australian Shepherd's tail. Before we delve into the grooming process, it is essential to understand the anatomy of an Australian Shepherd's tail. Unlike other breeds, Australian Shepherds have natural bobtails, which means their tails are naturally short or docked. However, some Australian Shepherds may have long, fluffy tails due to genetic variations. Regardless of the tail length, grooming is vital for maintaining their overall hygiene. Here are the steps to groom an Australian Shepherd's tail. 1. Brushing. Begin by thoroughly brushing your Australian Shepherd's tail to remove any tangles or mats. Use a slicker brush or a wide-toothed comb to gently work through the fur. Start at the base of the tail and slowly move towards the tip. Make sure to be gentle and avoid tugging on the hair, as it can be painful for your dog. 2. Trimming. If your Australian Shepherd has a long or fluffy tail, regular trimming is necessary to maintain its shape and prevent excessive tangling. Use grooming scissors or clippers specifically designed for dogs to carefully trim the tail's fur. Start by trimming a small section at a time and step back occasionally to assess the overall appearance. Be cautious while trimming near the skin to avoid accidental cuts. 3. Bathing. Australian Shepherds should be bathed regularly, and their tail is no exception. Use a dog-friendly shampoo and warm water to gently wash your dog's tail. Make sure to rinse thoroughly to remove any shampoo residue. Avoid getting water into your dog's eyes and ears during the bathing process. Once you are done, towel dry the tail or use a hairdryer on the lowest heat setting. For checking for parasites, after grooming, examine your Australian Shepherd's tail for any signs of parasites. Fleas, ticks, or other insects can easily hide in the fur. If you notice any parasites, use a flea comb to remove them or consult your veterinarian for appropriate treatment options. 5. Conditioning. To keep your Australian Shepherd's tail soft and shiny, conditioning is necessary. Apply a dog-friendly conditioner to the tail, following the instructions on the product label. Massage the conditioner into the fur and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Conditioning helps detangle the hair and prevents it from becoming dry or brittle. 6. Regular maintenance. Grooming your Australian Shepherd's tail should be done regularly to prevent matting or tangling. Depending on your dog's fur type, you may need to brush or trim the tail every 1 to 2 weeks. Regular maintenance ensures that your Australian Shepherd's tail remains healthy and free from any discomfort. 7. Seeking professional help. If you are unsure about grooming your Australian Shepherd's tail or encounter any difficulties, it is best to seek assistance from a professional groomer. They have the necessary skills and experience to handle your dog's grooming needs effectively. In conclusion, grooming an Australian Shepherd's tail is an essential part of their overall care. Regular brushing, trimming, bathing, and conditioning keep their tail healthy, comfortable, and visually appealing. Remember to be patient, use appropriate grooming tools, and consult a professional if needed.